Radio, Radio Entre-deux-Mers, Eau-de Radio, Radio Grand-Brive, Pull-Up Radio et JJC Radio. Cette émission est également rediffusée sur Vibes FM le lundi soir de 22h à minuit. Et maintenant, dans le Kikaliente Reggae Show, on termine l'heure sur un tout autre rythme. Voici la spéciale rap.
Yes, spécial rap ou pas. DonGmuzik qui s'autoproduit lui aussi. DonG, c'est l'artiste reggae jamaïcain du Luxembourg qui nous fait découvrir son univers dans un pays d'un peu plus de 6000 habitants. DonG représente fièrement la musique reggae depuis 4 ans. Il se produit en Allemagne, en Belgique, en France, aux Pays-Bas, en Suède, au Royaume-Uni, en Suisse et en Italie. Avant son voyage en Europe, DonG pose sa marque sur des grands spectacles à travers la Jamaïque, notamment Sting au Jam World Portmore, Black River Day au Airy FM Street Jam à Sainte-Élisabeth, Airy FM Indie Area Road Show à Spanish Town, le concert caritatif Sisla Kalonji à Green Hill, le Linstead Aki Festival à Magnum Galacti, Galiday Bones à Linstead, Sainte-Catherine, Papa Curvin Earth Day Bash at Red Race Course à Oracabessa, voilà, à Sainte-Marie et le Westmoreland Easter Showcase. Rien que ça, c'est vous dire à quel point ça cartonne. En 2017, il déménage en Europe où il continue de développer sa musique et il déploie ses ailes à travers l'échelle mondiale. Avec la bannière jamaïcaine haute, il défend la culture à travers la musique reggae, il fait évoluer sa carrière et propulse sa musique vers de nouveaux sommets internationaux. À l'écoute, on plonge dans des mélodies captivantes et des rythmes envoûtants. En tant qu'artiste et chanteur, DonG apporte un mélange unique de talent et de passion à la scène musicale. Il enchante le public avec un son distinctif et ses paroles sincères. Il sera le 9 novembre à partir de 20h au Vantage Bar pour son Birthday Celebration. Alors, si vous nous écoutez là depuis la Belgique, la Suisse ou le Luxembourg tout simplement, allez-y. Nourriture jamaïcaine, artiste guest, DJ sound system, reggae, dancehall, afrobeat, R&B, hip-hop, vous serez servi. Son nouvel EP de 5 titres est sorti le 4 octobre. Il sera bien sûr à l'honneur ce soir, donc au Vantage Bar 163 rue Beggen à Luxembourg. Info sur la page Facebook DonG Birthday Celebration. Donc ce sera le je l'ai dit le 9 novembre si je ne me trompe pas. Oui, c'est ça. Le 9 novembre à partir de 20h au Vantage Bar. Ça s'écrit pas Vintage, c'est Vantage, Vantage Bar et c'est au Luxembourg. Si vous êtes en France, que vous avez un petit road trip comme ça, une petite envie de voyage, allez-y, c'est le moment. Bon, on n'y est pas encore au 9 novembre, donc je vous préviens, vous serez prévenus. On s'écoute Deep Affection, un titre dédié à toutes les femmes, Mama, et on dit merci à toutes les mamans qui ont cru et qui croient aux rêves de leurs enfants. Et pour finir, le titre Mauve Mountain, c'est maintenant DonG dans Kikaliente.
Yeah, they know as a real man. You have to stand up and tell your woman, your girlfriend, or your wife, your true emotions. Well, this one is for the woman that I love. For all of you beautiful ladies out there who have found true love. DonG, pretty girl, you're my sunshine. Wanna love you all the while and not sometimes. You always on my mind. Baby girl, you're so fine. When I saw you this evening, I know I couldn't hide this feeling. You look so appealing, girl. For you my heart is yearning. I just can't stop from loving you. Brighten my life, turn my gray skies blue. Oh girl, I just can't stop from loving you. Brighten my life, turn my happen. Or go Paris, yes we can do this. You're with DonG, ain't no novice. We've been together so long, long before me song I top the charts all over the planet. I just can't stop from loving you. Bright in my life, turn my gray skies blue. Oh girl, I just can't stop from loving you. Bright in my life, turn my gray skies blue. Oh girl, you know how far we have come from over the years. We've been together so long, many ups and downs, but we still stay strong. Didn't let go, we keep hold on. Firm like the rock of Gibraltar. Tell you this I love, it not go falter. Let's get married, we going to the altar. Baby girl, wanna take it to the pastor. Turn up your bass on your Twitter. This is the voice of DonG coming live and direct to your speaker. I'm here to represent for Kikaliente Radio Show with Jessika playing the latest, the artist tracks. Keep it locked. DonG said that.
Yeah, when me sit down and me looking at all this sun, growing up with you as a son, I know you was gonna be someone in life.
Mama, mama love, mama love. Whoa. Mama, you me give the glory. Wrap me in a towel and you hold me. All when daddy go like him not know me. Mama, you feed me, read me a bedtime story. You told me that you never leave me lonely. All when we have no cheese we put with macaroni. Me know me right from wrong cause principle you show me. Now tell no lie, mama, me glad the way you grow me. No poverty we swerve past, the worst pass. Me I go make you tour the world first class. Poverty we swerve past, the worst pass. Me I go make you tour the world first class. Cause you're a queen mama, a queen mama. Thank you for believing my dreams. You are a queen mama, a queen mama. Me glad me move you out of the scheme. No reflection as a boy, it hurt me to my heart. You see when mama cry. Now I lock the stage of your boy. The only tears they cry now are tears of joy. Swear to heaven and earth, mama. You me nanga desert, mama. Spend everything now your purse. Send me school and go church. I know me song them my work. Straight from chorus to verse. Queen mama, a queen mama. Thank you for believing my dreams. You are a queen mama, a queen mama. Me glad me move you out of the scheme. Mama, you me give the glory. Wrap me in a towel and you hold me. All when daddy go like him not know me. Mama, you feed me, read me a bedtime story. You told me that you never leave me lonely. All when we have no cheese we put with macaroni. Me know me right from wrong cause principle you show me. Now tell no lie, mama, me glad the way you grow me. No poverty we swerve past, the worst pass. Me I go make you tour the world first class. Poverty we swerve past, the worst pass. Me I go make you tour the world first class. Cause you're a queen mama, a queen mama. Thank you for believing my dreams. You are a queen mama, a queen mama. Me glad me move you out of the scheme.
Son, I didn't make nothing worry me in life because I know one day it is gonna be better, and I believe in a God who will change things
Vous écoutez Kikaliente jusqu'à 23h.
Fate can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open. This is the voice of Danji, and you're tuning to Kikaliente Radio Show. Don't touch that dial.
Jamaican exclusive.
Send a drop of faith with a single prayer, and Jah will show you the way.
So many ups and downs, so many slipping slopes, treading on this lonely road with just faith and hope. Don't let go, that's all I know. Believe in your dreams, no matter how hard it seems. Keep on pushing, you can achieve once you believe. Faith can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open. Never gon' quit, never gon' stop. When life threw a punch, me just punch life back. Them can't distract me with money or vanity. Even though you have to pay for learn, the bridges you cross never burn. Face enough tribulations, we all are human. You might have go through a phase right now. Let me tell you this straight, I know you are. Faith can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open. Your time might seem so long, but just stay strong. Me, I beg you, hold on. Positive mind, perseverance, determination. Faith can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open. Faith can move mountains. When wonder closed, many more open.
Breniges FM.
Un peu de roots, un soupçon de hip-hop, une pincée de dub et une bonne louche de reggae. Et ainsi, vous passerez une excellente soirée avec le Kikaliente Reggae Show, à savourer le mardi entre 21h et 23h.
Et yes, on savoure entre 21h et 23h, on savoure dans le Kikaliente Reggae Show. Allez, on parle de Take It Agency qui, eux,